Big up Crosses TV.
All you need to do is just follow Crosses TV.
Liar dirty girl, Mr. Tina. But when Brassie and Daria get information, them say from Steph, and I make it look like me. I wouldn't tell her nothing about Tina. The same dirty Steph that did I get. Only that get the information about Tina, Brassie.
You don't say it already.
Yeah, no, that I tell you, Steph, she say, if you show your Steph kid, she and them, and make up same way. Steph, if you want a dirty bad man, they're not busy with this dirty bad man, this is so good man.
I'm afraid they're not coming out. Nobody come stab me from behind.
Crosses TV.
Big up yourself, Crosses TV.
Big up yourself. Nobody can stop nobody at all. Them want to kill man and get until they will not respond to them. But when we have to say the end of the day, you saw Drashy drop off and Steph to go ready for beg. And beg friend and beg and ready for da.
That is our problem. I'm gonna tell you something. When when Steph did attack, I said, "Oh, Candy and Darren me a defense." What you feel like? You feel like me never listen to that? I chat the girl Darren, I chat me.
Yeah.
Chat me.
Candy has like Steph can defend the body. Steph can defend the body when Steph have 8 blood clot pick the other one of them in a care. Steph burn them up and send them in a care. Left them go in that power road down and dance. Steph can blood clot. Hey.
And then when you look now, you know, when me go tell my real friend in England now, say, a girl I say she there with such and such and she out on the internet. Yeah, my friend, you know, remember say you did while she up on the barbecue, Mr. Ratico.
I'm mad, man.
Mr. Ratico.
What a pill for those something.
Can't bother with the Mr. Ratico. No idiot.
That is not the fear.
No idiot.
That's sure.
One thing me now do I play here and get 0. If me run, we live to fight another day. And that me know about it.
Using us, the body catch up on.
But you know some real idiot mascot girl in a real life. If my son I kick on down, me not ask Christ that. If my son not for run, take up on yourself and run. Cause me not gonna play with you. That me I make uno know where uno what you stop with me. Uno all you bring boy you a soldier. What part are you? Go and let go the people them uniform. And let go the people them badges over there so. The old people badge.
Tell me about the fried dumpling, you know. You know I fried dumpling. No.
You know much house me going around a blood clot this where have all gun and badges in a that.
Bullshit.
Gun and badges too.
I know what line of breast in the campaign.
Where? You know no badges. The only badges
or diarrhea, or Madman diarrhea, wicked enough. And Tina catch up because Tina say, I might out stop your talk and shut up to dance for Tina and shut. Then she's gonna make it look like no, she's gonna go now. After arguing Tina, you know, go to oh, Puss said this Puss when not nothing to do with me through Tina come for my life. I don't know. When Tina said Drashy, I said something for me. I said leave Drashy alone and focus on your target. Because if you can't jump down from there, or you're going to manage Drashy. Upon the life.
No, but Tina, no. Because everybody should have called me out more. Drashy, you come.
She said, Drashy,
what best Tina is that me never come.
Drashy, over there, right? I don't say yeah, right up.
But you saw she involved me in it.
So me I said to her, say stop focus on Drashy now, because the Drashy are right up our friend. Me not do nothing about class. So when Tina called me and say, Mr. Tina, Me tell you, say leave the argument, you know, say if you want go war, go war. But when you tell us about that here, Madman diary, now my God, diary, a Madman. Diary, I look for position, she mad, be talking on the live.
Madman, mad
When you
girl.
take a start, them going to inbox, so diary, ask it. When I word that name, I can't even do it, you know. Come here, flu, you know. Word when I gather everybody, Lord, ask it. So, I don't want to bite my lip here, people, but big word. I don't want to use the big word, but you may have the cool, it's going to stop it from come on. So she had try gather everybody, get a leader, get everybody know to come against the dolly. I got I'm in bed, I'm in bed asleep, I'm just dream. Hey, think I tell him I'm just dream, see them I gather them people. I'm jump out, I'm asleep same time. And call Anton say, you know what say diary them I gather auntie them I gather I try do like them can come, them can gather against me. Anton say, oh yeah. No, me
Tina
just
come back,
dream.
come say she talk to you in the morning.
Yeah. So me say me just dream me wake up. When me dream me wake up until 4 o'clock until think of something. Then same time I ring about 4:35 until 7 on the phone with a Tina come and watch record me. I say Anto, I mean Tina on the phone over our chat talk and everybody that I say me don't want to hear about diary, them like a diary a running belly. I'm not really interested in that diary a mad woman. I mean they tell you just leave it. If you can't angle, you can't go just leave it. If that I argue with you, you argue back with her, I'm not getting involved. I know them if them think me an idiot. Some of them know them the pan and dirty stuff them the pan. Oh
That's when you see the people them where join her what the people them where she diary here to know. That's why I just laugh and say, not feel no man can phone the other come.
I see everybody gather, I see everybody gather. I see them start like no. When we do we just come out and drop some Bob Marley. Man to man, so unjust. You don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy can be your best friend. I your best friend. You work. I'm gonna start drop some Bob Marley. I'm gonna just drop some giving. I'm gonna just drop some popcorn. I'm gonna just play a go down. I'm gonna just I take them and I'm just play the back. I'm the instrument and have
when
mercy.
night time I look over there now. Night time I look over the pan Puss, you know. I hear Puss a drop the tune them, you know. You know. You know. Hey, Darry, I'm showing you son idiot mascot girl. Yeah, una mascot. Because no one run out from Puss. And I'm here for telling you say you cannot do that. Because Tina already spoken to Puss. You see from here Puss I drop the music them Puss. Hey, I should have make you run out got dead. I should have watched the whole and just got dead. And that. I'm sorry for no. I'm here for the make you know say no Puss here already when you want.
I'm not hear not all from nobody. You know, well, you don't understand, bro. See me have my angel and me protect me. You must have set me up. She talk to me, no do nothing at all. Because when she talk to me, she try to criminate me. You understand, Foley?
But talk the truth, Puss. If them did run out of there, them wouldn't dead.
They don't understand me. I love me. Remember me tell you something. Me have my backup plan them. Have them. Me have a friend them at Jamaica ready to come out. Me have all of my people them ready for them. Me have puppy tail. Me have my wally of my people them coming. Me tell you so on our plan, but we are gonna wipe on out. Me I tell you.
Me say, I never meet don't get wiped out. I would have died. And Tina, and that even Candy would have get wiped out because Candy now gonna wear she only listen to this mix so.
Say, me have my Jamaica people there.
I get wiped out from a day.
Send credit so much. I send credit that day in my life for dealing with no case. Wicked. Say, man, I say, my friend, them girl there Jamaica, man. I say, don't say them girl. I say, what? Where I say? Me have season for everybody.
What about the page will send you the message?
Which message?
On fake page, and they send you one message, but they dare you talk.
Say what?
On fake page, send you one
say, they were plan for bring me down.
Yeah.
You're telling me no already.
All right, there you go. So you know what me never did ever dead in that the movie there.
I just laugh off at them. Just laugh off. So me just come out and just play some Bob Marley. And she over there, so, oh, I never play a song. Me or Munchie go up on the live and I tell him, say, no, no, and Puss, so we can't go on. And I think you go up there and I say, you think Puss easy? Like you go over there and I say, what you there say to them, say? Like you said to them, say, want to make sure they're ready, you know? Make sure they're ready, cause remember Puss not gonna do something so. Like,
I don't remember what me thought they got
like
said.
I want them I say, I want this. So you did I say, like did I tell them say, be careful. So I'm just a laugh. That's
And if
it.
one me the girl disturb me, hey girl, it's when I go London, I just want to spend my time with my friend them in a real life. But they are London, every time they are London, you calm me down, go mix up. Till I take my picture in my stocking cap. Nobody never see you got ear just because do you do your ear in a your yard, my love. When you not go down at the front, you cheap buy the couple of stick with them. That's fine, your head.
Crosses TV, I never, none of these gal out here can never make me eat none of them because like I said, Crosses TV, they are not in my caliber and they don't steal nothing from me. Crosses TV and their words mean shit to me and their words drop down because like I said, Crosses TV, none of them that hurt my head, none of them that draw me tears. So none of these bitches said that hurt me. And this is the thing, when you find somebody that's authentic like me, that's so strong-minded. I have been broke so many times, so I've been broken from back to front, so nobody here can break me. Nobody words out here can break me. I do not take their words for nothing. So when these gal rub me just laugh because for me it's joke. I will never me eat people with this. No. I don't have time for that.
And I
No.
don't eat them. As much as you see me and them, I don't eat them. But for done, we don't know that me know. When you can't talk back to me, it's not
we can't eat. And Crosses TV, they do me the most thing out here. They call police for me, them lock up them burn down my house. Them said immigration for me, them said immigration for me, pit them, them call police, lock up my pit them. To God jail them do the worst to me and I still came back out winning and laughing because the battle is not mine, it's the Lord. And I always, every battle I fight, I never lose a battle. Because when I'm fighting with Jehovah guide me. I'm under the rock. So go tell my enemies, I'm under the rock. Jehovah guide me.
You're the head and not the
Can't
tail.
stop. How much thing them try and everything fail. You know, everything they try and everything fail. So the end of the day, I just curse and I go with my business. But why these people keep doing it? They come and friend me to get followers and crowd, and when them do, they want to overthrow me. The platform, I always say this, the platform is big for everybody.
She swears that she build an army over there now. Yeah. She swear, but what she don't realize when the war start now, everybody scatter. Over, run, come back, over. Everybody scatter.
Told her, I say when the war start, nobody gonna help you. I tell her, these people out here is my people. 90% of these people are my people. And remember them still we are going. A lot of people don't say nothing, but they know the truth and them still the truth. And them still they can assume accuse Puss, but they can never come with concrete evidence that Puss to this, Puss to that, and people out here being seen who doing the things there. So when the real attack claps come, even the people over there, worse if it come down to Puss, they know who they're dealing with and they know the truth. So they're gonna step aside. Right, some swaps the team post. Yeah. So the end of the day, I never try fight against none of these people out there. I always put them up on a pedestal. But they come and want to overthrow me. Why we all can't live good? Why we all have to be, if you're gonna be disrespectful to somebody, they're not gonna be disrespectful to you. Why we have to we say we are big growing woman and we are talk to each other because you want to be seen or you believe, oh, me I talk to Puss away, people are gonna rate me and people are gonna think say, no bitch, I will cut you down to size. I just give you a rope for yourself.
When if I come back Saturday, come a dating something, speed dating again Saturday, guys.
Yeah, Drashy have our speed
Every
dating.
Saturday.
Me have sure them take people man goody.
Now that more come from.
Yeah, take people man. People man nice and them comfortable. But and
Comfortable. People bad comfortable.
you see, Crosses TV and a lot of people here, yeah. These people can never. All they say, push to this, push that. They can never. Foley, we've been out here. Foley, how much years we are here come? Everybody were used to war with them. I used to bring them down and war with them and run them off, Foley.
Yes.
And since them girl they come over here, them start make problem between me and you, start make problem.
Yeah.
So bagga, you know, talk to somebody, know why you talk to that person, and them want to separate and segregate, and if you know run in partner.
Them know so that can't happen.
Diarrhea come and she sees somebody come up on your platform because she feels so threatened because she locked off love and empathy and all these things. She up where you come from, you come from big page. And so she
Big up yourself, Jojo British.
One Juju man.
One Jojo British.
Oh, we had over Puss library and all these bitches are waste of space. And I like me tell them, say, when them a come with them war, them have to come behind me. Them can't step in front of me. None of them girl, all them a chat up them mouth. Every time them cuss people, them cuss with when Puss say. All these fucking bitches, anything them use is my words. They come and cuss me back with my owner like, bitch, fuck off. Like, get something fucking new. Like, the fuck?
Them say I can't walk anywhere in England with my head up. Anywhere the boy can't find for me and say, oh, I'm fuck out a girl, I'm do this, I'm do that, I'm do that. Cause I wasn't that girl. Never that girl. Oh, anywhere I time I can walk with my head up. I see when I run go for my real file and I can't get nothing for come out with
Yes, Juju. The bitch them just
make up
because them want a platform and friend me and then them a try come. You know so when Tina Hype see me, Tina Hype have to run come. Oh anti Puss. Oh da. Tina Hype have to blood clad friend me.
Well, at least you come just make things right, you know?
And I say, when rotten batty, stinking batty man Steph see me, she can't even make up her blood clad face. Come stare at me just a boy. I'll be a blood clot shot. Me not just talk say me bad, me fully blood clot bad. No girl can come approach me. No girl can come in my face. No girl can do me nothing. No. Cause you have to go do me every day. Me not mind lose a fight a 1 or 2, but me know me go come out as a winner. Cause if you beat me this way, me go fight you another way. And if you win me that way, then me go me not stop till me win a fight.
When the saddle up in Vietnam war, this a start, you know.
The end of the day, no girl out here. No girl of them girl will come and run up their mouth. No girl out here. No girl will take care of them picnic and chat to me. No girl when I have no real body can't chat to me. No girl when I have no when I have no foundation can't chat to me. Me none of them girl, me not rate none of them girl in England. All of them are dog shit. Me a lady, me a queen Puss. Sometimes so cool, that's why I tell you say, that's why I have to run so cool the you go. Yesterday I black him off on my page, you know. Cause me I said it's so cool boy, I get too friendly over my blood clad page. Cause me I said because so cool boy, every day you come up on page more. Puss, but go suck your mother. That's why I run a little batty boy from page. That's so Steph love walk and pick up madman, you know. Anyway, she see blood clot, madman, she draw her blood clot attention. You know? a blood clot, manly tree body. No girl. I'm tired for telling them I grow leaders, queen, princess, and prince. You understand? I spoil my children, but me I raise my blood clot grandchildren. So at the end of the day, no girl out here. When you say me ease back, me just ease back because me know what it's like to be locked up and me don't want to spend, me don't want miss out of my grandchildren them life. Me want dead for my grandchildren. So me hear some girl chat up them out because me just allow them because me know what me can do. Think no girl never face me yet. No matter 10, 20 blood clot girl that dance around up them mouth. A girl never approach me yet. If any girl make me feel threatened, me fuck them up. You know, if it do me no. Once me feel threatened for my life, me just pop up my ratchet and cut your blood clot and go about my business. Cause me not even wait for you let me back in and me run guard. Any girl make me feel threatened for my life, me run guard at station after me cut up on a blood clot. So no matter cause the least me go stay in a station for blood clot 24 hours, 72 hours. And then bring me medication, come blood clot, Jimmy. That's why I walk away from problem. I'm joke thing, bro. When you come for Instagram, I bad up on a bumble clot self, I work with a bad girl. And show me love, when I baby, me tell me say, the way me cruel and evil. Me try. That's the reason why I told you so many times. I do not try to think evil because I am a person. Anything when I think and evil story up in me, I'm gonna make it happen. Me not care. Me don't go want to know me wall. Me not care what you do. Me not care how much I own. Me don't go want to know me wall and pan one I own or anything me wall and pan of mine. Me not care what you lick or lick me. That person is mine. Me not leg of that. But now me I save my strength for my grandchildren them. What you think? Say most times some dirty stinking girl run up them mouth and me just allow them. Because me know the children them that me produce. Me know the children them that me produce that them head hot and if them even hear a girl a chat to me or what, them reach there and them get involved. I do not want to bring my children them in the lifestyle that I live. The last time me and girl a fight, I'm not know who tell them time they had about 14 and it's a bicycle. She beat the girl with. Me know me tell my daughter them how them bad. Me know my son them how them bad. And I'm afraid of nobody at all. And because I know that, I try not to get involved with people. I try not to draw my children them in there. I try not to even argue. How my children them will turn up. And me no want because of me, my children them get themselves in a trouble. Who to be blame me? No. So me make sure it's avoid people. Any girl, any boy, any girl, any day thing say. Them can't come in at my face and threaten me. Let me tell you something, no matter how you see me, no walk smooth. So me make sure one know. Any girl coming and left my blood clot 3 star. So any girl want 1 star or 2 star or 3 star, tell me. Fuck with me, I want to see something. Oh, someone can take the whole 3 of the blood clot star them too. Oh, even me being alone, the girl a chat up on the mouth. Pure idiot girl them yeah. Pure idiot girl them. You know see when me fight with sand, gravel and cement and steel. Bro, see that me fight with. When you see me come and do what there, I look land for buy a Ghana and Gambia. When you think that me I look land for buy?
You go build over there so instead of just buy a house over there?
You can't build, you can't buy. Me I look land at Gambia and Ghana for buy.
Not Gambia, Ghana, you look land.
Me I look Ghana, me I look yesterday me start look at Gambia.
What is Gambia like?
It's like same Ghana. But I'm Muslim. But then at the day, is a mad. Don't time already. Me Ghana get. Me just want to have my own place. Me don't want to live with nobody. Me just want to me just get up. I just fly out and go with my grandchildren then. You think say me a study where one was study? My right now me reach a point. My clothes are £5 and my shoes are £5.
One place over there named Shark Island.
Where you go so far.
Where you buy a house right on the waterfront there. So
me flip me see piece of land on the waterfront while I'm finished house I sell. Cheap. I don't want to look back. But then I didn't argue with nobody. Life too nice. We will give you the number to sis. See that Georgia member gorgeous member to make your sister. So my friend there. She said her sister live in Ghana, so she will give me the number. Yeah, cause me tell her to send me the number because I want my phone. Me get one man. Yeah. Me get one man where but me don't want somebody where me know before me let go my money. And them something them here do.
One man that tell me for come over there and one of my family.
When the Jamaican girl no have ambition. When the Jamaican girl thinks her shoes and clothes make her be the body. You think you can't when you're not dead you can't blood clot bury in the shoes and clothes. I tell my children this morning, they said me dead right now. Wrap me up in a white sheet and put me in a box. Not spend the money for me. Buy one $200 box and one white sheet and me maybe have a whole heap. And dig one hole and put me in and save every money for my grandchildren them. Cause me already dead what me can do. What me can do when me blood clot dead, nothing at all. And before me dead, more do me 9 nights before me dead. Me alright. Fuck dead man have no remembrance of nothing at all. Fuck. Why me for dead? When me alive, me not live good. And when me dead, me I live good. That makes sense.
9 nights before she dead.